Loop.
1, 2, test. Anyone hear me? Can you hear me?
I can hear you, yeah.
Cannot?
I could,
Oh, you
yeah.
could.
It's
Is it loud
low.
enough? It's low?
Yeah,
How's that?
still a little low.
How about this? Wait a minute. That. How about that? Better?
Yeah, that's good.
Loud?
It's good.
Okay, your middle knob is your volume, so when you want to adjust, hold the outside one and use the inside, alright?
Alright.
Ro, how about you? Can you hear me? Talk and say something so I can hear you.
I'm M. Howard, back
Taxiing runway 25 for departure, Wyoming Valley. Get warm or cold, let me know. We do have a very primitive system, but it works for a little bit of heat and AC.
Sounds bald. I think my knees are getting in the way here a little. Like,
you can get in the air, it's not going to be there, it's going to be here.
okay.
Alrighty.
Here we go.
Runway 25, everybody good. Alright, we're going to go gas on both mixture rip. Strobes on. Transponder on.
Skyhawk 889 or 5 miles to the east, landing Wyoming Valley.
Wyoming Valley traffic, Skyhawk 2 Tango Hotel is on the runway departing runway 25, Wyoming Valley. It's not too bad up here yet.
Skyhaven traffic, be advised, 2 minutes of skydiving overhead, Skyhaven Airport, out at 10-5, please use caution, Skyhaven, 2 minutes, heads up.
Oh, off to my left, off to your left, you can see the reservoir.
Oh, yeah?
Iced over.
Oh, that's cool.
Straight ahead, well, about 11 o'clock is Harvey's Lake.
Oh, there you go.
Wow.
We're at 2901 Quebec, wilkes-barre approach, wilkes-barre altimeter 3006. 3006, 01.
And Steve, what could I show you over here?
I saw the Boo household already.
Oh, you did see it?
Yeah, we went by
Okay,
her.
that's good that you're
And to 3 Alpha Bravo, descend to maintain 5,000.
good at
Steve,
spotting that.
You saw your house already?
For 5,000 for Alpha Bravo.
Ro, I'll point out our house.
Yeah.
Okay, Ro, if you look straight ahead, off to the left a little bit, you can see stacks.
Oh, yeah.
And you see Misery now?
I'm trying to, oh, yeah. There's
Straight ahead, and well, to the left. And, you know, obviously, if you could find Misery, you should be able to find your house a little bit.
Okay, yeah, wait, there's the track.
I'll come down a little bit.
Oh, yeah, I think I see her.
Yeah, I wish I could be a little lower, but...
If that's the track, hold on, wait.
I could do a circle, I mean, I'm not...
Oh, yeah, no, I see it,
You got it, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that's great.
Hotel is entering left downwind runway 22, Seaman's full stop. Wow, I have not been here in so long.
Are we live on YouTube?
Not live.
Yeah, like-
I know.
Dream it.
Hello, folks. 5-star director here from the plane.
I approve of that landing. How about yourselves?
That was
Not
a good
bald.
one, Pat.
Appreciate it.
Like you're going so fast when you come in, but then...
Yeah, not really. Really wanted to turn off at that first taxiway. Siemens traffic 2 Hotel is clear of the active Siemens. And test 1, 1, 2. Everybody hear me?
Yeah, we're good.
All right, I want to try something.
Affirmative.
Steve, can you hear me? Steve, say something. All right, now say something.
Hello.
Ah, okay.
I hear you that last time.
Yeah, okay.
Wait, could you hear? Wait.
Yeah,
okay,
we
I
could
can
hear
you
you.
there.
I was flipping a switch.
Wait, we're good.
Alrighty,
Hey.
we gotta get rolling here. A cool airport. We're like on a cliff here. Look at that. It's awesome.
Really?
Let's hope. It's actually intriguing.
Alright, we're gonna go gas on both mixture rich lights, transponder. Seaman's traffic, Skyhawk 2 Hotel departing runway 22 Seaman's.
Yeah, we're floored.
Yeah, this runway's a little shorter than Wyoming Valley. It's about 2,400 feet. We have about 34.
This is cool. I get to see all the knobs
traffic,
now.
Mooney 5685 Delta, back taxi
Here.
22.
I'll give him a wave.
Is that the wave?
Pilots do that all the time, yeah. Wilkes, 2 Hotel is the Valley in sight.
2 Hotel, Roger, radar service terminated, squawk VFR, frequency change approved, good day.
Frequency approved, squawk 1200, good day. Wyoming Valley traffic, Skyhawk 2 Hotel is 5 miles to the west, or to the east, that is, inbound to land runway 25, Wyoming Valley.
Public traffic, Diamond 8 Sierra, about 5 miles to the west, will be overflying field at 2000.
It's not like we're upset or anything. We say, maybe next time. Game day.
Yeah. Hold on. Valley traffic, 2 Hotel is on a mile final, 25 full stop, Valley.
Hey, look, there's a beamer. No, I'm kidding.
Forget I'm landing a plane.
Yeah, where? I'll keep my eye out for one though.
Hey. Hey.
You're that good guy. Wait, where's the jambon?
Gosh, the sun and the propeller, it's like... John Bond's right there.
You mean like brass monkey?
Yeah.
People on the dike are getting quite the show.
Oh God.
It's a plane, right?
Yeah, I bet they just stop and they're like, wow.
It's a plane. Alright, Pat has to concentrate here.
Yeah, sorry.
Oh, God.
Never landed before.
I feel so at home when I'm landing at this runway.
Ah.
It's good to be home.
Bald, actually, you know.
Oh, come on, you can't do that to me. Oh, there she goes.
Oh, that was a good one.
Appreciate it.
Thanks.
If I had to vote which one was better, I'd say this one.
Yeah, I did it. The last one I kind of did a, it was, it's kind of a one wheel, then next wheel, then third wheel.
Register.
Right, no.
Yeah.
Oh.
Can you
Beautiful.